Okay, so now to section 10.8, which is about solving systems of two nonlinear equations. Systems of two nonlinear equations. So to solve such systems, we're either going to use elimination or substitution. Which we used for solving systems of linear equations, and you may check your answer by graphing. May check your answer using a grapher if possible. It's not always possible. If you want, you may try that. So for example, if we go to number 6, page 754, how do we solve the system? X squared plus y equals 9, which is a parabola, and then x minus y plus 3 equals 0, which is a line. So first thing I want to do is I want to write it out as x squared plus y equals 9, x minus y equals -3. I can do elimination because if I add the y gets cancelled. I get x squared plus x equals 9 minus 3 is 6. Move the 6 over, we have a quadratic equation. X minus 3, x plus 2. So we have x equal 3 and x equal -2. For every x there's a y. So I'm gonna plug it into the top equation or the bottom equation, doesn't matter. X equals 3, x minus y plus 3 equals 0, x equals -2. So 3 minus y plus 3 equals 0, so y equals 6. So 3, 6 is a solution. X equals -2, so -2 minus y plus 3 equals 0. Negative y plus 1 equals 0, so y equals 1. -2, 1. These are the two solutions at the intersection of a parabola and a, I see, no, I made a mistake. X squared plus x equals 6. It should be a plus, I'm sorry. Plus, minus, so this should be negative, plus, negative, so that's negative, so y equals 0, so you get -3, 0. And then for x equals 2, you get minus y plus 3, so y equals 5. 2, 5. So -3, 0 and 2, 5. Yeah, I made a calculation error. So let's see that graphically. So we're gonna do y equals -x squared plus 9. Negative x squared plus 9, and then y equals x plus 3. And if we graph, you know they're gonna cross at -3, 0 right there, and at 2, 5. So obviously we got these two solutions, okay? At -3, 0 and at 2, 5. Again, make sure you fix this. This should have been a plus, and then it factors plus 3 minus 2, so x equals -3, x equals 2. When you plug them in, you get 0 and 5. Okay. Here's another example. Solve by substitution. Y equals x cubed minus x, and y equals x. So if you make them equal, x cubed minus x equals x cubed minus 2x equals 0, x times x squared minus 2 equals 0, so x equals 0, x squared equals 2, x equals plus or minus root 2. So I'm gonna plug them into the easier equation. So for x equals 0, y equals 0. For x equals root 2, y equals x, which is root 2. And then for x equals negative root 2. So we got three solutions: 0, 0, root 2, and negative root 2, negative root 2. And you can again grab to check your work. Here's another example: solve by elimination. Solve by elimination. 3x squared minus 2y squared equals negative 5, and then x squared minus y squared equals 2. So if I want to do elimination, I want to times the bottom equation by negative 2 to eliminate y squared. So I'll do them right here. So it's negative 4x squared plus 2y squared equals negative 4. Now we add like terms. 3x squared, the y squared cancels out. 3x squared plus negative 4x squared is negative x squared. Negative 5 plus negative 4 is negative 9. Divide by negative 1. So x squared equals 9. X equals plus or minus 3. So we're going to plug those values in. It doesn't matter which equation. I'll just pick the bottom equation. 2x squared minus y squared equals 2. 2 times 3 squared is 9, minus y squared equals 2, 18 minus y squared equals 2, negative y squared equals 2 minus 18 is negative 16, so y squared is 16, y is plus or minus 4, so we have 3, 4, and 3, negative 4. Now for this, if we plug it in, guess what, we're going to get the same y values because negative 3 squared is 9, 2 times 9 minus y squared is 2, so it gives me the same answer. So I have negative 3, 4, and negative 3, negative 4, a total of 4 solutions. Okay, couple more. Solve by substitution. Y minus 2x equals 5, and x squared plus y squared equals 85. So it's easier to isolate y top equation. So y equals 2x plus 5. We take that and plug it in there. So we get x squared plus y squared, or 2x plus 5 squared, equals 85. So we're going to write it out twice and FOIL. So let's bring this guy down. Plus 2x times x is 4x squared, plus 2x times 5 is 10x, 5 times 2x is 10x, and 5 times 5 equals 25. Bring this guy down. So we have 5x squared, and that's 20x, and then 25 minus 85, it's minus 60. Now we can divide the 5 or factor it out. X squared plus 4x minus 12. This can be factored. X plus 6, x minus 2 equals 0. So x is negative 6. And x equals 2. For every x there's a y. So we're going to plug it into the isolated equation. 2 times negative 6 plus 5. Negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7, so there is one solution. X equals 2, so y is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, and there's the second solution, 2, 9. Okay. 32, page 754. 32, page 754, so we have 4 over x squared plus 6 over y to the 4 equals 7 over 2, 1 over x squared minus 2 over y to the 4. So it looks like if we want to eliminate the y to the 4 term, we would have to times the second equation by 3. So let's do the math over here. 3 times 1 over x squared minus 3 times 2 over y to the 4 is 6 over y to the 4. 3 times 0 is 0. So that's gonna cancel this out. 4 over x squared plus 3 over x squared is 7 over x squared. 7 over 2 plus 0 is 7 over 2. Let's cross multiply. 7x squared equals 7 times 2 is 14. X squared is 14 over 7 is 2. So x equals plus or minus root 2. So we're gonna plug it in the top equation. 4 over x squared plus 6 over y4 equals 7 over 2. 4 over 2 is 2 plus 6 over y4 equals 7 over 2. 6 over y4 equals 7 over 2 minus 2 is 1 over 2. Cross multiply. y4 equals 12. Hold on. Did I do anything wrong? So let's see. 4 over x squared is 2 plus 6 over y4 equals 7 over 2. So 6 over y4 equals 7 over 2 minus 2 over 1, which is 4 over 2, so it's 3 over 2, my bad. That's 3 over 2. So 3y4 equals 12, y4 equals 4. So y squared minus 4 equals 0, y squared minus 2 is 2 equals, these are imaginary. So y squared equals 2, y equals plus or minus root 2. And that's when we plug the root 2. Same thing, if we plug x equals negative root 2, we get y equals plus or minus root 2. So we get 4 solutions. And that's it for 10.8.